Hi everybody, my name is Talisi and thanks for joining me with Sewing with T. I'm here to teach you a little thing about sewing a straight line. How to sew a straight line. For you, my beginners, you are so excited out there and it's like, yes, I can do this. You went out and bought a sewing machine, you saw something that somebody had on, it's like, yeah, that look like I can do that. Yes, you can. And today, I want to show you one of the first things that you need to know, and that is how to sew a straight line. Come join me as we go into my world. Come sew it too. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do this. You need a ruler, some type of marker or pen. You need paper. Okay? So what you're going to do, take your little paper that you have, take your ruler, go to the edge of the paper with the ruler and the marker. You just want to draw a straight line. Just like that. Draw a straight line. Then, right beside it, draw another straight line. I'm going to do it in black so that I know that you can see this. That's all you need to do. On a piece of paper, make your lines. You can go all the way across, okay? So just go through your paper, continue your lines. Preferably a marker would be more ideal. And you're done. Paper should be finished. Straight lines. Okay? Alright. Okay, here we go. Now that you have your lines, what you want to do is to make sure your sewing machine does not have any type of string there. And what you're going to do is align this. This is the middle. You want to align this with the middle. And there is usually a marking here to show you that that's the middle of the foot here. There's the middle piece right here where the needle goes straight down. So you want to align this line with that middle. And so for me, the marking is right here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's where my marking is. Okay, we align our paper. Now that you see we have the straight lines, we align our paper to the middle here. There's the middle of the sewing machine. And we're just going to start to sew on those lines. And we're sewing. My machine is very sensitive to knowing if the bobbin is in there or not, so I don't have the bobbin in here. And I'm just going to stop and show you. See this? I don't know if you can see it clearly, but here, you see my holes? They go straight into the line. See that? That is what you want when you sew your straight line. You want to sew right there. Now, sometimes I know it's like this. We're trying to control it. For some of us, we may be going off like that and like that. Show you. Right here, you can see where it has gone off of the straight line. I gradually pulled it right back on and kept going on the straight line. And that's what you do. You just, if you go off, just pull yourself back on and begin to sew again, okay? And you practice, practice, practice. Okay, and once you get the paper going, the next thing you might want to try is something with lines, a material with line. This here is a dishwashing cloth, I guess you would call it. And I am going to use the lines to practice. So this is what I'm going to do. In the line, I have my string in there. I've threaded my machine. And now I'm just going to make lines. I'm going to make bigger lines. I want wide because I'm going to take them back out. So I put it on the widest length. And here I go. You might want to start off slow, trying to go down the line. But once you think you got it, you keep on going and going and going. Hold that line. Hold your material. Make sure it don't get away from you. You're pretty much controlling it with your right hand and your left hand. There we go, 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 there we go. All right. Okay. Now we have a straight line on a piece of cloth. And on this, it's gathering, but you just straighten it out like that. Just straighten it out. And you will see that you follow the line or you're going in and out the line. Okay, so I'm gonna do it again, but I'm acting like I'm a real beginner. And so I'm gonna go slowly like this. Go up a little bit, go back on like that. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna panic, but I'm just go slow and try to follow the line. Oh my goodness. I'm going to get back on the line. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh. You gotta get really used to the pedal. And as you get used to the pedal, you'll find out that you can really sew these without any problem at all. Let me see if you can see this. Okay, let's see. Trying to show it to you. The line where it was off. Can you see it? Let me stretch it out. And there you go. I've gone off the line a little bit. Can you see that? Hope you can see that. So I take a picture of it. But I just slowly went back on the line. You know, it's areas where you just take your time. I don't know if you can see that. Went off the line, but I got back on the line. And as a beginner, you're gonna have that. Okay? Hey, it's Nugget time. When you sew, don't just sew to be sewing. When you sew, find these golden nuggets. And if you find these golden nuggets, they will definitely help you in life. So today, we learn how to sew a straight line. So as you look at sewing a straight line, when you get into like a mistake that happens in life, you know, sometimes we make mistakes. I know I do. And then there's times that we might feel like we've disappointed somebody or disappointed ourselves. Don't stay in that slump. You get yourself back up and you get back on that road again. And you start on that path that you first started. Wherever you left off, you go back to that point and get back online. And that's your nugget today. You stay on that straight line. If you fall off, get back up. get back in line, and you can do this thing. Make it to your destination. Don't let nothing stop you. Nothing. So glad to have you today. I am hoping that this lesson we learned today with the straight lines on paper and on the fabric with straight lines have been a technique that has helped you out today. And I am hoping that you go and practice. Hello, my people. I want to let you know about what I'm doing when it comes to the YouTubing. Every week, I will put out one video, and it will be on a Sunday. Okay, so look for the video posted on Sunday. And that's when I'll put it out. I'm doing this way for my my beginners so that you can practice during the week and we will grow, together. And I'm just really trying to build it so that we can get some great seamstress out there. I would love for you to enjoy the gift that God has given me. I want to pour into you. So we're going to go slowly. And so as we go, I would really love for you to be able to grab hold and learn. Okay, so practice when we need to practice so that you can do so good. I want to be proud of my babies. Okay, so go out there and practice for me, please. Okay, one video a week. And I would also put a couple of alterations out there because I know some things are just needing to be handled and repaired right away. And so there are some things that I'm going to throw in there as well with the alterations. Okay, so I will be throwing those in there as well as techniques to learn how to be a better seamstress. Okay, I hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe for me. Thank you, viewers. Thank you.